Listen, if you are tired of struggling to lift heavy boxes or want arms that command respect, you need to train your biceps. Strong biceps make everyday tasks effortless and build serious upper body power. Welcome to Muscle Anatomics. Watch until the end of the video and you will find the exact workout routine you have been searching for all this time. Let's go! Let us kick things off with exercise 1, seated dumbbell waiter curl. Sit on a bench, holding one dumbbell vertically with both hands flat under the top of the dumbbell, just like a waiter holding a tray. Keep your chest up, breathe out, and curl the weight toward your chin. Breathe in as you slowly lower it down. This unique grip keeps your hands completely flat, taking your forearms out of the equation and placing intense tension directly on the long head of your biceps. It is absolutely incredible for building that impressive bicep peak. Beginners should aim for 3 sets of 12 reps, while advanced lifters can push for 4 sets of 15 heavier reps to maximize growth. Next up is a classic movement. Exercise 2, plate bicep curl. Grab 2 weight plates and stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Hold the plates at your sides with your palms facing each other. Breathe out, keep your elbows locked tight to your ribs, and curl the plates up toward your shoulders. Squeeze hard at the top, then breathe in as you lower them with control. Using plates instead of dumbbells automatically forces you into a hammer grip, which heavily activates the brachialis muscle underneath your bicep, as well as your forearms. This exercise adds serious thickness to your arms, making them look wider from every angle. Beginners, try 3 sets of 10 reps, and veterans, hit 4 sets of 15 reps. Next, to isolate those muscles completely, with exercise 3, prone incline curl. Set a bench to a 45-degree angle and lie face down, letting your arms hang straight towards the floor, holding a pair of dumbbells. Keep your upper arms completely still. Breathe out and curl the weights up. Breathe in and lower them slowly to a full stretch. Because you are lying on your stomach, you cannot use momentum from your back or legs. This pure isolation forces the biceps to do all the heavy lifting, leading to a massive stretch at the bottom and a deep burn. If you are new, start with 3 sets of 10 reps. If you are advanced, go for 4 sets of 15 reps. Let us shift focus to exercise 4, incline dumbbell inner biceps curl. Sit back on an incline bench with a dumbbell in each hand, letting your arms hang behind your body with your palms facing forward. Exhale and curl the weights up without letting your elbows drift forward. Inhale as you bring them back to a full stretch. Keeping your arms behind your torso stretches the short head of the bicep, the inner part of the muscle, maximizing the tension. This builds that full, thick look on the inside of your arms. Beginners, focus on form with 2 sets of 12 reps. Experienced lifters, challenge yourselves with 3 sets of 18 reps, keeping the movement strict and controlled. We are firing up both arms now with exercise 5, standing alternate plate curls. Stand strong, holding a weight plate in each hand by the outer edges. Your palms should face your thighs. Exhale and curl one plate up toward your shoulder, keeping your wrist straight. Lower it down smoothly as you inhale, and immediately repeat with the other arm. Gripping the edges of the plates fires up your forearms, while the alternating motion forces your core to work hard to keep you balanced. This creates a functional, powerful upper body while sculpting deep cuts in your arms. Newcomers can do 3 sets of 12 reps per arm, while veterans should aim for 4 sets of 15 reps per arm. Let us get back to basics with exercise 6, 2-arm supinated curl. Stand straight with a dumbbell in each hand, but this time, turn your palms so they are completely facing forward before you even begin. Breathe out and curl both weights up simultaneously, locking your elbows at your sides. Breathe in as you lower them down. By keeping your palms supinated or facing up for the entire movement, you remove the forearms from the equation right from the start. This guarantees maximum engagement of the biceps from the very bottom to the top of the curl. Beginners, stick to 3 sets of 10 reps. Advanced lifters, push through 4 sets of 15 heavy reps to force muscle growth. Finally, we finish strong with exercise 7, standing barbell concentration curl. Grab a barbell with an underhand grip, hinge forward at your hips, and let your arms hang completely straight down toward the floor. Keep your back flat. Exhale and curl the bar up toward your chest, keeping your upper arms frozen in place. Inhale and lower it slowly. Bending over removes gravity assistance and body momentum, forcing your biceps to contract intensely at the top. This builds brutal strength and jaw-dropping peaks. Beginners, aim for 2 sets of 10 reps. Advanced trainees, hit 3 sets of 12 reps. You have the power to change your body right now. Do not wait for tomorrow to start building the arms you deserve. Leave a comment below telling me which exercise you struggle with the most, and subscribe to Muscle Anatomy X as a trusted partner in your daily health journey. Go pick up those weights, and let's get to work.